Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that crude after pandemic is continuously on a upside. Okay, and till now we have not seen it has moved below a level of $63. Okay, because you can say since March of 2021 the price what we are seeing now, it has been to that level, otherwise it is continuously on the upside. Okay, and before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next week, if you have any doubt or query or if you want detailed analysis, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. This is a first high we have seen. Okay, and this is where it is going at this particular level, that whenever it is hitting its previous high, we have seen a fall has come. Okay, you can see looking at this particular chart, as soon as it started going upward and making a new high, the fall is being a bigger. Okay, until now it is trying to make for the sixth time, but it didn't sustain. Okay, because of the war situation was there, Fed was continuously increasing the rate. Till now it is increasing the rate and dollar getting strengthened. That is where, see, suppose if the dollar getting strengthened, what will happen, that the suppose if X amount of country is importing this amount of crude, then they have to pay more for that same amount of crude if they are importing. Okay, so that is the disadvantage. Okay, imbalance in export and import is there because of the war we have seen. Okay, so now see, look at this particular chart. Now it is trading at a level of $69.47. Okay, and if you look at this, a particular very close support coming at a level of $68.2. This is a particular support. So if the price fall below this particular support, the next strong support coming at a level of $65.87. Okay, and if that level also move further down, then yes, a probability of going towards 63.23 is there. If that level move further low, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, now look at this particular chart. There is a continuous fall. Okay, and this level is already being tested here, a level of $63.41. Okay, and chances are very high if the price comes close to this level, we can see it can go further down. Okay, see, overall trend is downside. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, yes, a probability of going further low we can see for the price of crude, and it can touch a level of $68.3, which is a strong support. So a bounce back we can see, but if this bounce back didn't sustain and if it moves below that particular level, chances of going towards 66.17 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $64. Okay, suppose if the price fall below $64, a probability of going towards 62.37 is there, and from there we can see a level of $59.37 is there, and from there we can see a level of $59. Okay, suppose if the price fall below $59, then a probability of going further down we can see it can touch a level of $57.21. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can move towards a level of $68.3, and from there we can see a level of 66.17. If the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 63.81 is there, and from there we can see a level of $62.37. Okay, and this $62.37 is already being a weak support, so chances of going further down will be there, and then we can see it can touch a level of $59.60. Okay, now once the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $57.21, and if the price fall below that 57.21, it can go further low, and a probability of going towards $54.18. Okay, now if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go further low. Now see, if you have to understand something, as soon as it moves below a level of around 64.39, chances of going further low will be there for the price of crude. Otherwise, what will happen, if it form a swing and move above that particular level or sustain above a level of 68.3, yes, a probability of going further upside we can see. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $70.52. Okay, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can touch a level of around $72.87. Okay, see, and if the price move above that particular level, chances of going towards further upside, we can see it can touch a level of around 74.81. This 74.81 is again being a weak resistance, so chances of going towards a level of $77.23 is there, and if the price move above that particular level, it can touch a level of around $77. Again I repeat, $77 is again a strong resistance, so if it sustain above 77, a further upside we can see towards a level of around $79.8. okay, and if the price sustain above that level, it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of touching 83 is there. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above $79, chances of going towards a level of 83 is there, and if the price move above that particular level, it can cross a level of $83.43. okay, and because that is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can touch a level of around $85.74. okay, $85.74 is already being a resistance which is already being a strong resistance, so if the price sustain above 85.5, we can see it can go further upside. okay, if you have any doubt if the price move above a level of 85, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. okay, and if it's sustain above 85, a probability of going further upside we can see for the price of crude. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.